This is the new Laifen SE2. Let's open the eco-friendly packaging and remove the protective film to get started. Every part of the hairdryer comes in a matching color scheme that will add a vibrant touch to your home. The SE2's fine-grained texture is comfortable to hold and slip-resistant. Toggle the switch to turn on the SE2 and change air speeds. And press the button to change temperatures. Long press for temperature cycling mode. Double press for child mode. The SE2's upgraded motor delivers powerful airflows to breeze you through your routine. The negative ion generator neutralizes static for smooth and silky results. And the temperature is regulated to protect against heat damage. Thanks to its noise reduction technology, hair drying is now quieter than ever, and its magnetic filter prevents hair from being pulled in. This is your hair care routine upgraded. This is the all-new Laifen SE2 high-speed hairdryer.